The Black Bell, Kali Ghanti. In a small village stood an old temple with a large black bell hanging at its center. People said whoever rang it at night would not live to see the morning. Arslan, a stubborn young man, never believed such tales. One night, on a dare from his friends, he went to the temple. The moon was hidden behind the clouds and the air was eerily still. Laughing, he said, "Let's see what really happens." He grabbed the rope and rang the black bell. The sound echoed, deep, painful, almost like a human scream. Suddenly, the wind stopped. Whispering voices began to rise from the temple walls. "Why did you wake us?" Arslan turned around. Dozens of shadowy figures emerged from the darkness. They had no faces, only hollow black eyes staring at him. Slowly, they began moving closer. Terrified, Arslan ran toward the door, but it slammed shut on its own. The last thing the villagers heard that night was the bell ringing again. But this time, no one was there to ring it. The next morning, when people entered the temple, they found bloodstains on the floor, and beneath the bell lay a note. "Once it rings, it will never stop again."